What's up?
Yeah,
Hey,
my
y'all
name-
really act like y'all couldn't speak. So what?
So
you should get to
still
know
walking
us.
through a circle.
Y'all walking through the set and
Y'all
shit.
black,
Come on,
we
start-
black.
start-
It
start
don't even gotta
roasting,
be off
nine.
knowing us. It gotta be
Yeah.
what the fuck?
Plus, y'all got on bandanas.
She got on a Rambo scarf. Like
Oh,
she,
no.
And when we try to talk to him, it kind of got they.
Yeah.
They got
little
happy.
buffalo beauty.
They got
Beauty in the
they got,
beast.
they got happy.
come on, you gonna get your toes. I'm
Hey,
recording.
follow these bitches.
Follow these steps.
Fucking swan ducks. Fucking cluckhead.
Happy feet.
I make more money in a day than your mom make in a year. She look like she stink.
Hey. You and the
You with the Rambo scarf on.
Hey, you with the Famore pants.
Baby,
Hey, not the one for the CV, not the one with the CVS tights.
Look, she trying to switch extra hard right.
That shit stink.
Your booty almost buckled, bitch.
Yeah, that motherfucker smell like hot grits
Look, we got the bitches over
with
there.
bacon grease in them.
Ugly ass bitches.
You fucking ducks. You motherfucking ratchets.